Okay, back again with the same type of project, the LED. Okay, with the LED, which before we put here a pot. Okay, a potentiometer which can regulate this can regulate the brightness and the contrast. It's a bit much now. Okay, put it like that. And then I add a button. So here's a button that if we press it, it's off. Press it again, and it's on. The reason why sometimes it's good to do that, if you keep it for a long time, the LCD screen will burn because it hasn't got a what do you call it, a screensaver. So there we are. Sorry, this button isn't that great. Okay, I hate when it does that. But it stays on. I've got a cheap button. And yeah, it's one of those. In any case, works. See, here's the code. Just to have an idea. Practically you have a button, a button state so that you can press it and release it. And I will post the code on the internet. And the liquid, the liquid crystal i2c. And this is i2c, but I'm using the SPI wire. So there we are. So there we are. Off. On. Okay guys, this is a short video just to show I can see. So practically just remember that you can see from here where the button pin is. Okay, I use 8. You can use any other pin really. The only reason is it's just for the button on and off. Yeah, sometimes you press it quick, stays on. Bit more hoop. Okay guys, thank you very much. Have a good day. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, thank you.